Seva Cafe was launched on October 13, 2005. It is located in the heart of Ahmedabad on CG Road. From the outside, the cafe is like any other cafe. The minute you step into the cafe, you see the difference. There is joy in the air, as though you walked into your own home. And as you set your eyes on the kitchen, you will find there are no doors. Instead, it's an open area connected to the dining. But the uniqueness of the open kitchen is that there is a lot of ease and sharing between the kitchen staff and the customer. There is no divide between the ones who are serving and the ones being served. And the reason for this is perhaps the staff are in effect volunteers who have once been customers and will be in future.
हम लोग एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं. अंदर जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, सेवा कर रहे हैं, सब लोग सेवा भावी लोग हैं.
We have created a platform to serve without being paid. Service can be provided without monetary gains, and this is the thought we would like to drive. Seva Cafe is an NGO.
बस एक छोटा सा घर बनाए कि लोग अपने आप आके कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट सेवा कुछ टाइम हमें दे कर अपने आप दूसरे के लिए और दूसरे की सोच को आगे लेके और दूसरे की सेवा करें, इसलिए हमने स्टार्ट किया.
Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest is God. This is a part of our Indian culture, and we would like to keep this alive. This experiment will further promote the concept that we must treat guests with love. This concept is fading away, and it can be restored by involving the younger generation.
We are all students, and we all work for NGOs. Oh, it's not the first time. We actually love this place.
मेरा नाम सुभाष है.
सुभाष भैया.
सुभाष.
हमारा मोटो है प्रेम से आओ, प्रेम से खाओ. नो टोटल बिल पॉलिसी है, मीन्स कोई बिल दिया नहीं जाता. खाने के बाद हमें एक लिफाफा, एक एनवलप मिलता है, उसमें हमें जो भी फील हो दिल से पैसे दे सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे पेड फॉरवर्ड है. आज जो भी लोग हैं उनका प्रसाद जो भी खाना का उनको ऑलरेडी कल किसने चुकाते हैं.
Seva Cafe is a family of staff and volunteers, and it is primarily due to the contributions of the volunteers that Seva Cafe continues to be successful. As a volunteer, you will discover that in the process of working towards lifting others, your spirits are lifted. Seva Cafe also invites guests to come here and prepare a dish, the speciality of their choice, what their hearts desire, and therefore our wholesome meals are offered to you as a genuine gift.
હું અમદાવાદનો જ છું અને જ્યારથી સેવા કેફે ચાલુ થયું ત્યારથી હું અહીંયા કામ કરું છું. બહુ જ ગમે છે અહીંયા કામ કરવું.
રસોઈ કરીએ ને સફાઈ કરીએ, બધું કામ કરીએ, મજા આવે. છોકરાઓ બધા મહેમાન જે આવે એમની જોડે બહુ સરસ લાગે છે. એકદમ ઘર જેવું.
I'm enjoying that. That's all what I can say. I'm a filmmaker basically.
वैसे लोग होते हैं कि जो घर पे कभी अपनी लाइफ में कुछ काम नहीं किया, या शायद से आधे लोगों को चाकू पकड़ना नहीं आता. आधे लोग वैसे हैं कि घर में खाना खाने के बाद गिलास यहाँ से उठाकर वो यहाँ पे भी नहीं रखते. वो लोग यहाँ पे आके कुछ बर्तन साफ़ कर रहे हैं, कुछ सर्विंग कर रहे हैं, कोई किचन हेल्प में मदद कर रहे हैं. हम कहते हैं कि जो आप खाने के साथ पैसे मिलाओगे, सोचोगे तो एक रेस्टोरेंट बनेगा, लेकिन खाने के साथ प्यार मिलाओगे तो एक प्रसाद बनेगा.
I am actually a coordinator, so all the different servers or waiters come to me with their orders, and then I make sure that the kitchen staff know what to do. Then I process it and make sure it goes back to where it belongs. And I have to use my brain as well to calculate how many pastas, how many curries, how many rice, how many desserts, so it's quite mathematical. Normally, I used to work at PwC doing business development.
જેમાં જ્યાં ગળ્યું હોય ત્યાં કીડી મકોડા એવી રીતે આવી જાય, જેમ કીડીઓ આવી જાય, જેમ અહીંયા સારું વાતાવરણ જુએ છે એમ લોકો સારા સારા લોકો આવી જાય.
I come here because when I am here, my mood is different. And at my own place, I feel different. And here, I feel free and I feel relaxed. Here, different happiness is there. And I feel that here, this organization is mine. With some satisfaction is there.
અને આ સેવા કાર્યનું નામ જાણ્યું હતું મેં, તો ચલો આજે હું મુલાકાત લઈ આવતા, મારી ફેમિલી સાથે સેવાની મુલાકાત લેવા આવ્યો ટાઈમ નીકાળીને. સેવા સારી લાગે છે.
Today is here organic food. They are serving the organic food.
Okay.
On Wednesday and on Friday. They serve. My daughter comes here to cook and serve the dinner. Ratnamala.
On a daily basis, we serve 50 people with love. So we serve blessed food. And if we have more than 50, we request people to come another time.
My name is Varun. I'm an actor. Trust me, I never thought that I'm going to be here. And
Yours uncle has written the story like
I'm lucky.
I'm Shakti, but I'm acting as Nehru in the movie so-called Criticism and Gandhi.
I'm from Bombay. I'm waiting tables. We are almost to the end of our orders for the night. I'm a filmmaker.
Our profits are used to support social causes. Even if we incur a loss, we ensure that a minimum of rupees 2,000 is donated towards a good cause. We have a box for people to drop in their funds. One can also take funds from the box, but these are to be utilized only for a benevolent cause. Thus you see that the ultimate goal of Seva Cafe is to involve the younger generation so as to teach them what it is to serve others. We have a huge collection of books at Seva. It is the people who had donated the books. The library is called Seva Cafe Library. The gallery we have at Seva is Satya Gallery. Every month we have an exhibition here. This provides the upcoming artists with an opportunity to stage their artwork. Seva Cafe invites you to feel at home and engage in an inspiring conversation. We welcome you to feed your heart and your soul by taking the idea of selfless service beyond our walls into your daily life and into your community. Are you ready to be the change you wish to see in the world?